Well, that wasn't much impressive, was it? Selfridges, window dressing at Selfridges. Weren't impressed with that really. My favourite department store. So, well, we'll go down New Bond Street and maybe get some more videos. It's a Wednesday morning, guys, so it's I think 11 o'clock-ish, and not that busy. There's people mingling around. Obviously lunchtime is approaching soon, so it will be busy in about an hour's time, all dashing for their lunch. Yeah, this is my favourite department store, guys. Selfridges. I think it got bought out by so many other people, so maybe it's being neglected. Lovely building, absolutely lovely. There's a big story with Mr. Selfridges on YouTube, guys. If you want to Google it, go on YouTube. It's a big story, it's a big video, it's like a documentary from start to he went bust, I think. It's quite interesting actually. I did watch it ages ago. It just illustrates where he started and where he ended up. He ended up bust, poor thing, penniless. Things are so expensive here, really, really is. You don't get anything, even like there's supposed to be food stalls, and when you go to a food stall, you expect it to be cheap. Oh no. Far from that. Very expensive. I'm a bit disappointed with Selfridges, really. I feel a bit sad. It's my favourite department store, and it looks like it's been neglected. Let's see how much of these favourite juices. Pomegranate. Oh, fresh pressed pomegranate. 12 quid. Ouch. 12 quid for a bit of juice. Sorry, don't mean to moan, but you know when someone's taking a biscuit, don't you? Oh, you don't have to buy it. Lucy can't go in there. It's quite cold actually. So we're definitely looking out for a lovely Greggs somewhere. So hopefully look out for Greggs, guys. If you notice Greg, give us a shout. My favourite cup of tea, £1.50. You can't go wrong, really. Really can't go wrong. It's got a tiara on his dog. It is cold. I'm having the sniffles. Nice cafe, really, to sit and watch outside. I love sitting outside, guys, and just watching people walking about, just watching their body language. I love that. There's so many little avenues that you can go down here, guys. Oh, this is a day vlog, really. Night time is quite interesting, but the cameras struggle. They do struggle, but they're quite good, actually, the cameras that I use. All top-notch stuff I use. Ice cream. Oh, yum yum. Record shop. HMV. Anyway, so how much is pomegranate? I love pomegranate, guys. Favourite drink. Or fruit. Let's see. Sweet cherry, pomegranate. Oh, £12 again. I'm not paying that. I'll just have to go without. Wait till I go to some hot country in the Middle East or something like that. Turkey, definitely. Turkey, since it's this time of year, really. It's in season. Pomegranates. So if you went to Turkey now, wow, you'd have some lovely pomegranate juice. You really would. Ooh, you've cold, Lucy. I haven't been to these roads such a long time. Yeah, this is New Bond Street. Here we are. Come on then, darling. Yeah, we'll come here at night as well. So we'll do a day vlog, see what you think during the day, and then we'll come down here in the evening. I don't think we'll find Greggs. Yeah, we might have to go down Leicester Square later after this. Come on, Lucy, stop. It's very hard to, when you've got doggy with you, like Lucy. She keeps pulling over, reading their text messages and stuff like that all the time. Reading gallery. We'll have to put all this onto our wish list. Boots, no prices, so you know it's going to be like £2,000 a pair of shoes. Very arty-farty. Awesome gallery. These are all galleries. I don't know where they get their fundings from. She darts for it. Oh, Diamond Lab. The diamonds forever. Conduit Street, that's it. We saw that chandelier while we were coming doing the Mayfair video. That's what they look like during the day. Weird, isn't it? So I told you in that video that London looks much nicer in the dark because you don't see all the rubbish. You don't see all the stains on the buildings, on the masonry. You don't see things like this closed down. It surprised me, all this building lark, where we're having so much problems. Where can they afford to have all this building work done? The country's running through a crisis at the moment. You're getting worse, Lucy. You need some training now. Grosvenor Street. Where's the Grosvenor Hotel? Somewhere at the bottom. Definitely expensive shop. No prices. Lucy, stop investigating. Come on. I didn't realise I had my 2x zoom on.
Nice.
No. Gucci, 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 Gucci. Mr. Lucci. Fancy Gucci? I'll put that on my wish list. Santa. Maybe Santa who buy it for me. Richard Green Gallery. Here we are, Conduit Street, guys. So, yeah, you don't have to come out, guys. If you turn right here, go to Berkeley Square, like we did the other night. Here we go, going over. There's Regent Street at the top there. Louis Vuitton across the road. Come on, let's go and see Louis Vuitton. Burberry. I don't really like Burberry. These cute Louis Vuitton bags. Must be in the hundreds and thousands. See? Got much nicer window shopping than Selfridges. It's getting a bit windy. It's a bit cold, isn't it, Lucy? Nice to sit somewhere and have a cup of tea, I think. What do you think, Lucy? Cup of tea time? That is cold. Like a big funnel of wind coming in. Flags flapping away. See, Lucy? That diamond one. That's pretty. Cartier. That's my favourite, Cartier. Forget all the rest, it's Cartier I like. So look at Cartier. What a lovely necklace that is. I'd love to buy that for my daughter. Ooh, that look nice on her now. A nice watch like that. That's awesome. Beautiful. Beautiful stones. Don't like that though. I like petite things. Lovely watches. It's a lovely Cartier watch. Handbag. What do you think, guys? It's a beautiful little square, isn't it? Ralph Lauren across there. Beautiful. Bit low light here, so it might just look like my favourite Cartier thumbnail maybe. That's two. You can do it on the Pocket 3. You can have a certain amount of zoom, up to 2 times. You can have 1.5, 1.25. Hey! So it's Ralph Lauren. Yeah, I think it's much better to come at night really. There's such a glare on the glass, it's hard. Let's go into Burlington Arcade here. This should be lovely. Come on, Lucy. This is Burlington Arcade, which leads to Piccadilly at the top. Pretty. Watch specialist. Yeah, all types of watches I think he does. Rolex, everything. Even come and get your puck cufflinks. People speak so loud so other people can hear their conversation.
can see why you'd go in if it was.
Oh, that was Burlington Arcade, guys. So here we go, we're coming out of Piccadilly. There's Fulton Masons. That looks much nicer in the dark. Like if you go to my previous videos, you can see it in the dark. It's all readied up, so it's much nicer. Go, guys. Right, I think it's Greg's time, guys. So let me just switch you off here for the moment, and then we'll see where we'll end up. Masons. These dreaded buses to go. See what they look like. 10 seconds to go for these buses to go. So we've got Piccadilly over there, guys, straight ahead. And then you've got towards Knightsbridge, straight ahead, guys. Taking straight to Knightsbridge. Nice blue skies, but it's absolutely freezing. Right, we're on Charing Cross Road. I had me Greg's cup of tea already, guys. We're at Charing Cross Road coming up towards Shaftesbury Avenue. It's lunchtime now, so very busy. People flying about, walking really fast. Not in a slow pace or anything like that. They're just literally on a mission. Down there is Covent Garden, and that way is towards Leicester Square. Yeah, it's gone 12 o'clock. It's around 12:30 now, so people are all coming out for their lunch. I don't know what's better, 2-time Zoom or just normal standard Zoom. We are at Shaftesbury. Busy, nothing but traffic, that's all you'll see. I think London looks much better in the dark at night, in the evening, with all the lights. Lucy's got to have a lamppost. Oh, she's got lamppost galore here. Street here, guys. You've got Soho to the left. So, yeah, I don't know if I told you about this. I've got the steps on my phone, so to count how many steps I do. So I did this for my diabetes, see how much calories I'm burning a day and stuff like that. So hopefully I can get on top of things like that. So it helps. It really does help, because you're just pushing yourself to avoid that diabetes too. I just do not want to start injecting myself, stuff like that. Are you having a wee Luce? Good girl. Yeah, so we're heading towards Tottenham Court Road, Compton Street, guys. We've already done a video of this at night, all the bars. I think it's time to go out soon in the car, because already had the car serviced on Monday. So touch wood, everything was good, and had an oil change and filter and a few other things sorted out. Thought there was something wrong with the exhaust, but it wasn't. So I had one of the engine management light come on. I thought I had a hole in the exhaust or something. Well, I didn't. I thought it was something to do with the catalytic. Anyway, so I think it's time to start venturing out a bit of London. We across the road. Just do not like people creeping up behind me, getting close. Foyles bookshop. There's a lot of pickpockets around here, so you've got to be really vigilant. People creeping up behind you. Maybe you've forgotten something. One of your pockets is open or something. Oh, she's got to have a sniff there, you know. She dragged me there. So I've got my little side bag, as you can see here. So I put everything. I put all my action cameras in there, my sticks, and my selfie sticks all in there. So come on, Lucy. She's spoilt for choice. She's got so many lampposts and places to sniff, aren't you, Lucy? Anyway, come on then. Good girl. She's a diamond. Come on, Lucy. She's an absolute diamond. A lot of unhappy people I see walking about. I know there's a lot of homeless and stuff like that, but apart from that, I can see a lot of miserable. Must be the cold. Not used to it. But I'm thinking of venturing to go to Morocco again. I'm really thinking about that. So cheap. Morocco's beautiful, lovely people. Pure blue skies every morning. Sun blazing, warm. You can go to Morocco for a week for about £30, 31, 35. Google flights for this gold-plated building. Wow, that's a big crane there, guys. That gold-plated building. Epic, isn't it? We'll go and have a look, see if we can get in there, guys. Let's go. Well guys, that's awesome. Right, we're at Tottenham Court Road Station guys. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. There'll be more coming. Just waiting. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe guys. So I'm waiting for this jacket to come so we can venture out. It's an out jacket which breathes in and out. I've got one jacket which doesn't, just breathes coming in. Makes me sweat. So anyway guys, I'm going to leave you here guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and much appreciate. So don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Have a good day.